What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday Tech Explained, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI and finance, specifically how this new technology can make you a ton of money if you use it right. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of ChatGPT by now, but let me tell you, this thing is a game changer and it's only getting started. Seriously, this AI is like having a financial advisor, a business consultant, and your own personal copywriter all rolled into one. So, in this video, we're going to be breaking down the 4 most powerful ways you can use ChatGPT to build your wealth. Buckle up, hit that like button to support the channel, and let's get into it.
First up, let's talk about how ChatGPT can be your own personal financial advisor. And no, I'm not talking about some basic budgeting app. We're talking next-level financial planning here, people. Imagine this. You tell ChatGPT your financial goals, your income, your expenses, and your risk tolerance. ChatGPT takes all that information and generates a personalized financial plan tailored specifically for you. It's like having a one-on-one with a financial expert, but without the hefty hourly fees. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. We all know how those little expenses can add up over time, right? Well, ChatGPT can help you plug those leaks and free up even more cash to invest and grow your wealth. And if you're feeling lost in the world of investing, don't worry. ChatGPT has got your back. You can ask it anything from basic investment terms to more complex strategies like diversification. It can even help you choose the right investments based on your risk appetite. Remember, though, this is just a starting point. Always do your own research and consider talking to a real financial advisor before making any big investment decisions. But having ChatGPT as a resource is like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal.
Now, let's dive into the exciting world of investing and how ChatGPT can help you become an absolute pro, even if you're just starting out. I'm talking about taking your investment research to a whole new level. Think of ChatGPT as your own personal research assistant, working tirelessly to uncover hidden market trends and analyze stock performance. You can feed it articles, financial reports, or even ask it to compare different companies in a specific industry. And the best part, ChatGPT can do all of this in seconds, saving you hours of tedious research. Imagine being able to quickly analyze complex financial data and make more informed investment decisions. That's the power of ChatGPT. But hold on, there's more. ChatGPT can also help you develop and refine your investment strategies. Whether you're interested in value investing, growth investing, or even dividend investing, ChatGPT can provide you with insights and information tailored to your specific approach. Just remember, investing always comes with risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. But by using ChatGPT to enhance your research and understanding of the market, you're giving yourself a serious edge in the game of finance.
Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, side hustles. Because let's be real, who couldn't use some extra cash these days? And ChatGPT can be your secret weapon to dominating the gig economy. First off, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm profitable side hustle ideas that actually align with your skills and interests. Whether you're passionate about writing, graphic design, or even teaching, ChatGPT can generate a list of potential side hustles that you might not have even considered before. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also help you optimize your side hustle for maximum earning potential. Need help creating a killer profile on freelancing platforms? ChatGPT can write it for you. Want to craft compelling proposals that land you clients? ChatGPT's got you covered. And here's the best part. ChatGPT can even help you automate certain tasks within your side hustle, freeing up more of your time to focus on the things that really matter, like scaling your business and making more money. So whether you're looking to start a side hustle from scratch or take your existing gig to the next level, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool in your entrepreneurial journey.
Now for all you creators out there, this one's for you, because ChatGPT can be your secret weapon for content creation domination. And yes, I'm talking about raking in those sweet views and subscribers. First off, if you're struggling with writer's block, ChatGPT can be your new best friend. Give it a topic or a keyword and watch as it generates a list of engaging content ideas that will have your audience hooked. But it gets even better. ChatGPT can also help you write compelling scripts for your videos, engaging articles for your blog, or even attention-grabbing captions for your social media posts. It's like having a team of professional writers at your fingertips 24/7. And for all you YouTubers out there, ChatGPT can even help you come up with catchy titles and descriptions that will rank higher in search results, bringing in more views and subscribers to your channel. So whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, ChatGPT can help you streamline your workflow, boost your creativity, and ultimately make more money from your content.
There you have it, folks. 4 powerful ways to use ChatGPT to build your wealth. From personalized financial planning to side hustle mastery and content creation domination, ChatGPT is changing the game of finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more wealth building tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future of finance is here, and it's powered by AI. I'll see you in the next video.